It's a big day for Tennessee. It's a big day for America.
We also know that for many young people today, this feels particularly hard.
New tonight, a landmark U.S. Supreme Court decision that affirms Tennessee's ban on transgender medical procedures for minors. Fox 17 News' Karen Aguilar now live downtown at the state capitol with reaction from stakeholders on both sides of this decision. Karen?
That's right, Scott. And the Supreme Court's decision will affect transgender children, not just here, but across the country. The uproar all started over this bill voted into law by the Tennessee General Assembly. Friday, Supreme Court justices ruled 6-3 to uphold Tennessee's law banning transgender medical procedures for children. Senator Jack Johnson co-sponsored this controversial bill that became state law in 2023. It would prohibit medical procedures providing hormone blockers, surgeries, or other changes to their appearance that the law deems harmful.
So we're on the right side of the issue, and we're on the right side of history.
He argues the intent of the law is to protect children. What would you say to those in the transgender community who believe this law actually hurts children instead of protects them?
Well, I would disagree vehemently. I tell you what hurts children is permanently removing body parts. We shouldn't be making decisions about a child's body that are irreversible.
Chief Supreme Court Justice John Roberts wrote for the conservative majority that the law does not violate the Constitution's Equal Protection Clause. That clause has to do with treating people the same based on gender. It's an argument figured in the lawsuit challenge brought by 3 transgender minors, their parents, and a doctor, in the United States versus Tennessee's Attorney General Jonathan Skrmetti. The ACLU of Tennessee and several other parties filed the suit. Lucas Cameron Vaughn is a senior staff attorney for the ACLU of Tennessee. He is calling the Supreme Court's decision a painful setback.
Generally, families in Tennessee, many of them are discussing potentially moving out of the state or moving out of the country.
Vaughn and others say there is concern over how the court's decision will affect other transgender issues, including banning transgender people in the military.
I think the most immediate question is whether the lower courts will continue to be able to apply it.
Today's ruling could set a precedent. The repercussions, if any, are yet to be seen. Reporting live in front of the Capitol, Karen Aguilar, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.